For Isaac, you say we should do this song from Master Kwabena Kwabwa. It's been a while you requested this song, so I have to stop everything and come to the request for some time. Somebody has requested Nana and done their song to boy. You two don't worry, I will tackle it from today. So we have the key E flat, or being E flat. You can play D. Some people play D, even some others C. But the whole thing is to understand the rhythm and have the notes and chords on your fingertips. So we have the, let's do it E flat here. So E flat major here. Let's do the chord analysis first. Do we have Fa is G sharp. That's full chord G sharp. Then we have so B flat major here, or B flat. We can play the B flat major here. We've done all this, so let's check your cage system for all the chords. You've done that in the cage system. This is C shape. We are playing the G shape here. E flat, Fa, or Fa here. That's the G sharp in the G shape. This is G shape of playing the G sharp. Then we have to so we have it B flat. The Mi, that is G minor or G minor. Then La, C minor. This is the root here and here. The Re is F minor. So Re, you can play it here too, or we go here. That is F minor, or here. So if you're a beginner and you just come across this lesson, please subscribe to the channel and go search for the cage system chords, because we've done all these chords. This is just a flash of what we are going to learn. So I have to go back and do the course analysis. So if you are new to this course, somebody may ask, oh, where can I, how? Please, how can I play this course? I don't know what you are talking about. The G sharp here, the cage system, the G shape here. All these terms are explained well in the lessons about cage system. So if you are new to this course, please, I urge you to take a look at the cage system and come back to this particular lesson. It will be very easy for you. So when we are here, we play. We are going to the so mi la re so do mommy I don't know ya hu maybe I don't know ni pa savi mommy I don't know ya hu maybe I don't know sheda. These are the concepts So do. Mommy, I don't know you fa first. When you are so fourth chord, fifth chord, third chord, that is me. La, sixth chord, re, that is the second chord. So, fifth chord, do, one. So the do chord, when we play the do chord, we play the octave do and do. So it sounds like do, mi, but it's one chord, do. Or you can play with the thumb. So addition knife. So you see, we've started using the chord. Then we add the re to do chord. So we've moved to the B flat. That is far. But sometimes when playing rhythm, we don't play the chord. So we use the thumb here for B flat chord. Then we use the thumb here. So when again, see thumb, then we strum from down. So again, do, mi, because we are doing it's spelling out the song. Then we move to fa. So you see, again, or you can choose to play it this way. So then we play re. So when we add this re note to the fa chord, you see, again, re chord from the second string. So make sure the chord is intact. Here we have the re chord here, and we added the thumb to the fa here. Then we remove the re from the chord and play, making it. So let's play from the beginning to that point. Then we move to so. Then so. Re, fa, back to fa, you see. So, chord. Top from the second string. Then we move to fa. Fa, mi, re. Again. Fa, mi. You crash the chord. When I say crash the chord, you play both. You play top and down. See, from the second string. So you can play from down as well. But the leading note is on the second string. So then we play fa, mi, re. Again. Fa, so, do, again. So let's do the whole thing through. Again. So we crash the first one before we play a chord. Fa, so, fa, from the second string down. So let's take it slow. Then second part. So see, fa, so, fa, instead of fa, mi, re, fa, fa, mi, fa, instead of going to re, fa, mi, fa, or fa, so, re, fa, so, fa, then we play. Then the singer comes in. Me and the passage, me and the home, me and who said Isaac, the request you made. Thank you very much. You are all welcome for joining me, my Nigerian friends, Chides Ape and others. I can't mention your name. The chord concept and how we are doing managing the leading notes is the most important in this lesson. I wish everybody will learn how the chords are working, but not the song itself. So thank you for making me your friend, your brother, everything here. You are all welcome. If you are new to the channel, please, I say, go just subscribe to the channel, go through the videos, or at the search box, search for your particular lesson that